Hi! How you set up the ESR64 is really simple, and I am going to show you how to do it. There are two options for the supply voltage. Here you have the option to connect a supply voltage of 110 to 240 volts AC or 12 volts DC. We will now connect the supply voltage of 230 volts to terminals L and N. If you use 12 volts direct current, connect the wires to plus 12 volts and ground. If needed, you can also connect a wired button to terminal E1. The control voltage must match the potential of the supply voltage. Once wired, place it in the wall box and turn on the supply voltage. Now we have placed our ESR here behind the button. Once the mains voltage is switched on, wait until the beep sounds. Then wait another 15 seconds until the device starts. In our example, we connect the ESR64 with Apple HomeKit. This actuator is Meta certified and can therefore be integrated into different ecosystems and operated in parallel. We open the Apple Home app, tap on the plus symbol, and then select Add Device. Now scan the QR code that is on the attached paper or printed on the back of the device. Once the device is recognized, the Apple Home app will guide you through the remaining steps, where you can name the device more precisely and set it up according to your preferences. After you have successfully added the device, you can control it via smartphone or voice control. Of course, you can also use the wired button to control the ESR. The current status will also be displayed to you in the app. Using the so-called multi-admin mode, you can integrate the ESR64 into different ecosystems and operate it in parallel. How do I get from Apple to Google now? A valid question. For this purpose, there is the pairing mode. It is found in every Matter ecosystem and can be activated via the app in the settings of the respective device. Installed products must be authorized individually. The Apple Home app generates a numeric code for pairing with other Matter systems. This code is entered into the other Matter system, and after adding it, it behaves in the new Matter system just like devices that were added there from the beginning. Of course, you can also configure the ESR through our ELTAKO Connect app, which also gives you access to functions like the reverse delay, and receive the button definition. The range of functions can be expanded with the EnOcean radio adapter EOA64. There's an extra video on that, and now I say goodbye. I wish you lots of fun in the meta world. Feel free to leave a like, also feel free to leave questions. Until next time, bye.